Hi student, this is class 2nd. I am going to teach next top chapter number 15, getting closer. Getting closer means how we can get close with our friends, with our relative, with our neighbors. There are some means. It is called communication ways and communication means. We share informations, ideas with our friends. Sending and receiving messages are called communication. Okay, they help us to touch with our friends, our relatives. Okay, now in this chapter I am going to discuss this topic: letter, television, newspaper, radio, TV, computer, and last one is mobile. These are the means of communications. So I will tell you what is the use of letter, what is use of mobile, what is use of newspaper. As we look in early time, people send message from one to other by the pigeon. They are hanging, you can look at the flashcard, they are hanging letter in the pigeon and pigeon is giving message. You can see pigeon is giving message from one place to another. In old time kings they were using like this, and sometime they were sending message by the messenger. There he is on one horse, and when he want to deliver any urgent message or any urgent news by this messenger, the kings they were getting message. Now as per change of the technology, change of the time, they all things are changed. Now it is very quick service and we can send the message from one place to another place within few seconds. Okay, early they were using pigeons, but now in this days it is no one using pigeon, because all are this technology is so fast and we are not having so much time for the pigeons, and pigeons taking lot of time, but now we are having no time. And what is the modern way to sending message? These are letter, telephone, newspaper. So how we are sending letter? Like postman is there, you can look at the flashcard, postman is there, and postman is giving letter to your given address. Like this letter we are getting. Okay, like postman giving letter from one person to one place to another place. No, in this case we are also, this is the mass media, that is newspaper. With the help of newspaper, simply we will get the different countries news. You can see this Turkey newspaper is there. Any newspaper you can take, different countries, different states, different villages news we are getting. Okay, this is the means of transport, means of communication. Next, for this letter I want to tell you, you have to put their proper address. Name should be there, father name should be there, village name, and one is pin code. Okay, it is proper postal pin stand for postal index number. Without pin code we are not getting any letter. So it should be there, and you have to write this in proper way. Correct postal number we have to fill, then we can get our letter easy. After this we are having this radio. By the radio we are giving message from one place to another. Early we were using these things, nowadays we are not using these things, but early we are using this. It is in your syllabus, so I have to clear you that radio is also one of the means of communication. If we give the message, simply we can send in the radio and we'll get this message from radio. Okay, these are the buttons: low volume, less volume, and we have to set channels. Antenna is there, we have to look at see the antenna, set the range and set the channels, then we are able to listen whatever is coming in the radio. In this case FM radio is coming. When you can see this radio and you can listen the songs by the radio, FM radio. You can use this FM radio in your phone also. Our next is this newspaper is already I discussed. Next we are having telephone. Telephone is also one of the means of communication. Here nowadays we are not using telephones. These kind of telephones is using in offices only. Okay, what is the procedure to use this? From here we have to dial the number, a receiver is there, the ring is, when the ring is going, when another person is picking the call, he is starting talking, then we'll listen talking. In this case these are in also less use. Okay, next we are having television. Look at the flashcard. Television is also mass media communication. We are getting news from the different country, news from the different states, political news, different kind of news, sports news we are getting with the help of television. This is also one of the communication way. Next is computer. Okay, in this stage all the things, especially mails from one office to another, other project work we are sending from one place to another with the help of the computer. So these are the means of communication, and with the help of computer our work is very easy. We can share our things, we can send mail within few seconds from one country to another without wasting time. Last is having mobile phone. You know, all are familiar with the mobile phone. In this case you are studying from the mobile phone. So early mobile phone is like this. It is also antenna. Now it is small in size mobile phone, but early we are having like this, same, but only few buttons is not touch phone is there. Now in this nowadays all are familiar with the mobiles, and mobile phone we are using to, in this stage we are sending message by the WhatsApp, by mails, by YouTubes, we are sending this message. Students, here is one activity, page number 114, rearrange the jumble letters. Okay, read the letters and you have to rearrange yourself. Okay, thank you student, thank you for watching this video.